Everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Thursday. I'll tell you, folks, we have a very tough forecast to make over the next 12 to 18 hours. Yesterday afternoon it was just the European model that was all by itself in forecasting a moderate snowstorm from Boston to Cape Cod. Now the GFS is in, the Canadian's in, and the NAM model is in as well. So it looks very interesting. Let's get right to it and show you what's going on in terms of the weather headline as we prepared it for you. And we'll say once again, a very tough forecast ahead for later on tonight and through midday tomorrow. As low pressure comes up the coast, we will start as rain and then we'll change to snow. There could be 7 inches of snow from Boston to Cape Cod to Providence, depending on the thermal structure of this storm. That's really dependent on the storm track and if we get into the heavy precipitation and how much cooling we get down from above. It's very complicated, so you need to bear with me here. And then we're looking for a pretty decent weekend, but things are going to be changing again next week. There may be some storminess, some snow here late Monday and Tuesday to be followed by cold, but the storminess early next week once again is very uncertain. So let's jump ahead now. This is the latest European model that came in last night, valid for 1 o'clock Friday afternoon. And if this is the real world, they say we have a tight little storm which is located southeast of Cape Cod with heavy precipitation from Boston, Cape Cod down to Providence. Here's the low center here. That means cold air being drawn down with a north and northeast wind. How much snow are they going for? Well, we can sort of blame it on them. I'm not doing my own snowfall map yet, but this is what they're saying. The European model, in the purple zone, they have 6 inches of snow up to the Boston area. And in the lighter purple, if you will, that's 8 inches plus from Cape Cod down to Providence. Is this the real world? Well, they're very consistent now for the last 2 to 3 runs. Please stay tuned. We'll have a very important weather blast update here at midday. So the forecast for Boston goes like this. For today, lots of clouds. It could be a little peekaboo sun. We're off to a very mild start, 55 to 60, but turning cooler this afternoon. And then overnight, cloudy skies all over again with a chance of rain developing, probably changing to snow late tonight. Temperatures falling back by morning, 30 to 35. Now, it's going to take a while for the snow to stick because the ground is so warm, but it could do so, and the roads might be slick for tomorrow morning's commute. So here's your 5-day forecast. For tomorrow, snow should end around midday, the way it looks right now, give or take an hour or so. It'll be in low and mid-30s, falling into low 20s at night. And on Saturday, partly sunny, partly cloudy and mild, close to 40. Sunday, sun, clouds, a little bit cooler, 38. And then Monday, it's cloudy and cool in the mid-30s. There might be some snow late in the day or at night, and that could continue on Tuesday with temperatures falling back to near freezing. So very tough forecast for this storm and for the next storm as well. Who said weather forecasting is easy? That's my latest forecast. Again, I'm Mark Rosenthal. Please stay tuned for a very important update around midday.